kids, and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is keeping water clean. Children, water is very essential for our life, for our survival on this planet. But what we are doing, we are constantly wasting water. We are not conserving water. Either what we are doing, we are creating water pollution. We are making water dirty, polluted, makes them unfit for animals, for us, for plants, for the living things that live inside water, for those living things like fishes, that water is home to them. What we are doing, we are contaminating water. Today in this chapter, we'll talk about the points that we must follow to keep the water bodies clean. Let's begin the session with point number 1. We should not throw plastic in the water bodies. Children, very important. Plastic, many living beings that live inside the water, they swallow that plastic and they die. They makes the water dirty also. What happens? The plastic floats on the surface of the water, get deposited inside the water. It makes the water dirty. So we must not throw plastic in the water bodies. The next point is we must not wash clothes in the water body. You can see people washing the clothes. It makes the water dirty, contaminated, toxic sometimes, because there is soap, there is dirt that releases from your clothes, and people when they are washing, there is so much of dirt that releases in the water and makes it dirty. Now the next point is we must not release chemical waste from the factories in the water bodies. Why? Because they are sometimes poisonous also, contaminate the water, makes it unfit for the living things that live inside the water. So we must not do that. Now the next point to keep the water clean is we must not throw garbage in water. If you throw, what happens? There is vegetable waste in the household, there is sometimes toxic waste also, there is plastic, other type of peels and everything, which makes the water dirty, unclean. Now the next point is we should be careful that the oil from the water vehicles does not spill in the water, because that spilling of oil makes the water unfit. It contaminates it, makes it dirty. So we should try that there is no spilling of oil from the water vehicles in the water. So children, these are the few points that you must follow to keep the water bodies clean, because ultimately we need clean water. We, animals, plants, everyone needs water for their survival, and not just water, clean water. I hope you understood this well. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.